High School. This is just to be a little production of hydrogen gas. Just a little story. Taught in Pasadena, Pasadena High School. I was doing this with their Erlenmeyer class in a balloon. Zinc and hydrochloric acid, balloon over the top of the class. And I was doing it pretty safely. I was doing it in a fume hood. But there must have been a crack in the Erlenmeyer flask or something because it exploded. I got 6 molar hydrochloric acid from here to here, kind of under the fume hood, with glass as well. That was the one and only time I had to use the safety shower, actually. Thank goodness it was before school, so I ran out to my car and got my gym clothes after I got out of my blood clothes. So that was the last time I ever did that demonstration ever. I haven't done it since. And it wasn't until I saw the demo at Mike Hines' thing. It was in like 2003, maybe? That's all right, at Elmhurst College. It was the egg explosion. And Mike, by the way, thanks for remembering that you were at York High School. Must have made an impression. Anyway, they were doing the egg explosion at that one with actual eggs. It works great, it explodes really well. And I've done that, but I really just hated doing the prep work for it. I'm a bachelor, so I don't really buy eggs, don't do any baking. So I don't really have eggs. And just preparing it takes forever for me. I don't know. So I tried to use plastic eggs, and it didn't really work too well. Didn't really have a good seal to them. Other ones actually have holes in the bottom where they do the molding process. So to find the good ones for this demo, just go to your dollar store right around now in the year and look for ones that have no holes whatsoever. Okay. What I did is I drilled one hole enough to fit on this pipette, like that, and one hole on the top to just put a little tape over. Okay. We're going to be generating a little hydrogen inside the egg. We're going to light it, hopefully it will explode. Okay. So what I've got up here is, and by the way, all this is a little pipette cut off and kind of cut at an angle, so it kind of goes into the egg a little better. And you can use 1 molar. This actually just happens to be 2 molar. We fill it up about halfway. Actually, I'm going to pour a little bit back in. If you put a little too much hydrochloric acid in there, it will actually shoot out of the pipette, which you don't want shooting acid everywhere. And then you can use zinc, magnesium I'm going to put in here. We're going to be generating some hydrogen, and we're going to capture the egg. By the way, the tape is on the top of the egg because the hydrogen hits the top and kind of fills from the top down. Yeah. So I've got a little magnesium here. Just a pinch or so, I guess. So we've got our reaction going. Again, you want to be careful that there's no liquid spraying on the top. And we've got our egg. So again, pulling up with hydrogen right now, I usually wait about 30 seconds or so. For the lighting platform, I know the regular explosion, people use usually a blast shield because it gets egg particles all over. This one doesn't. It explodes right in the middle of that seam. So it explodes really quite nicely, just right there and straight up.
You want to use there's a blast shield back there if you want to use it.
That's okay. It will be fine. And then usually I start another one right away. Just because, you know, the students are always try again, do it again, whatever. When you light this, it could go off right away. It could take a second for it to burn to go on the egg, or nothing could happen. We'll see which one we get. Okay, so here we go. Okay, it's lit. Makes a little sound to it when it lights. I heard it light. Just hit the water line. Try that again. Can't quite see. I'll try it one more time.
Oh.
So again, it explodes right in the middle. By the way, this same plastic egg I've used for 4 years. Still doesn't have a crack. And again, you don't need to redo the egg. So egg number 2. Again, I just like that you can use this right next to your area. No need for doing it.